Introduction to Focus at Will.
Focus at Will is a unique music service designed to help you concentrate and stay productive. By offering scientifically curated music channels, it aims to reduce distractions and boost your focus during work, study, or creative tasks. In this guide, we'll cover how to set up Focus at Will and choose the right music channels to suit your personal concentration style.
Getting started with Focus at Will.
To begin, visit the Focus at Will website or download the app. Sign up for an account, which typically offers a free trial period. Once registered, you'll gain access to a variety of music channels specially created to enhance focus. All you need is a device with an internet connection, and you'll be ready to personalize your listening experience.
Setting up your session.
After logging in, you can start a focus session by choosing a session length. Popular options include 25, 50, or 60-minute focus periods, often inspired by the Pomodoro technique. You can set a timer for your chosen focus interval, and the app will automatically end your session when time's up, helping you maintain structure and take effective breaks.
Choosing the right music channel.
Focus at Will offers channels with genres like classical, up-tempo, alpha chill, and ambient. Each channel is tailored for different personalities and work types. If you prefer calm and soothing, try ambient or classical. For extra energy, up-tempo might help. You can also take a quick questionnaire inside the app to receive personalized channel recommendations based on your focus profile.
Tips for maximizing focus at will.
For best results, use headphones and keep your device notifications off during focus sessions. If a channel feels distracting, don't hesitate to switch to another. Consistency helps. Try using Focus at Will at the same time each day. Regularly updating your channel preferences based on your mood or task can keep your sessions fresh and effective.
Conclusion: enhancing productivity with music.
Focus at Will makes it easy to use music as a tool for productivity. With its customizable channels and scientific approach, it can help you block distractions and get more done. Experiment with different channels and session lengths to discover what supports your concentration best, and enjoy a more focused work or study routine.